Oh, you guys can do better than that.
Come on, guys, move it. Hurry, hurry. Come on now.
Yeah, brain freeze. Teeth chill.
Now we'll take one to like.
Come on, guys, faster. Let's go. Hurry, hurry to go.
Who said they were going to do it in 30 seconds? Come on.
That's what the record is.
30 seconds, let's go. That's a lot of eating.
Come on, put that in there, Ralph. Go, let's go. Hurry, hurry.
Come on, guys, hurry up. Eat up.
No spitting it in your lap.
We need some napkins.
Eat, boys, eat. Come on, it's a race.
It's a race.
This isn't dessert after dinner, it's a race.
It's past 30 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, that's good. Keep going.
Come on, you almost got it. Oh, look at him go. He's almost got his cup empty.
I have my predictions.
I do too.
Why do you guys still talk when you guys have a mouthful of ice cream?
You're eating,
Why couldn't we get a
losing.
cup like that?
What?
Why couldn't we get a cup like that?
You finished. Oh, yay. Okay, keep going. Who's second? Keep going, keep going. You're not supposed to stop.
But Alex, can Alex make a second?
Take a picture of him.
We knew he was going to win. We had our money on him.
Go ahead, tell them.
Can we get a picture with it?
Why y'all sitting on fast? They left.
I'll just
Go, go, go. Keep going. They left us in charge.
Do I get second place?
You got second? Are you done? Show me your empty cup. You're not even close, and you just
Good job.
I got
keep going. You're.
Okay, he's probably gonna make second. You're probably gonna make third. Oh no, he's probably gonna make third. He's probably gonna make fourth.
Keep going. Let's go.
Yo, Alex.
Now he's doing 5. He's doing 5 lizards, so I put 5 guys. So next Sunday we'll see if we.
Come on, come on. Let's go, guys.
Hurry up, we gotta wash the car. One last car.
Who's second? No, empty. Gotta be empty.
Gotta be clean.
You gotta be clean. You can't feel your tongue? Come on, no putting it under the table. None of that. Let me see your cups. That's yours.
Hey,
That's yours.
Taiwan, you done? Second place, boy. You happy?
Oh, wow.
2 blizzards before I got here.
Okay, there's second. First, walking away. Second. Who next?
Wait a second. You did? Alright, come here. Come get your prize.
Come on, you guys are slacking. Let's go.
I got third, man. Nobody gonna beat me third. Don't choke. Y'all boys in a race.
They're not in a race. They're on vacation. Come on, let's see who's the last loser.
I got third.
Yeah, you did. So now,
You know Alex is gonna lose.
oh yeah. Oh, hurry. Eat, boys, eat. No. Don't make a mess.